In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select passwords and security, scroll a bit lower, and here click on privacy. Now enter encryption and credentials, and at the bottom of the list you will notice clear credentials. So if you truly want to remove all certificates, all the contents, just mark it, and then tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, it has been done, so credential storage is erased. And that would be all, the end of the process. So congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.